If you're looking for a wig that looks super natural, is easy to install, beginner friendly, and not to mention this gorgeous chocolate color for fall, keep on watching. What's up, guys? Back with another wig install video. This is another one from LuvMe Hair. I love the direction they've been going with these 5x5 closure wigs with the HD lace. Super beginner friendly. Like, I really recommend trying out 5x5 HD lace closure wigs if you're trying to get into wigs, but you're not, you don't want to do all the work to install it. This is like a quarter of the work to install. I mean, it's the same things that you would do for a full install. It's just way quicker because it's less lace, but it's enough lace to where you can still give that frontal effect. And that's why I love a good 5x5 HD lace closure. And listen, y'all, if you're going to go lace, go HD. I have not been wearing a lot of lace wigs over the past year. I've really been into the V-part wigs since they've came out because it just looks a lot more natural in person. I mean, wigs can look great, but it's still a wig. But I feel like when I'm going to wear lace, I'm always going HD because that's the type of lace where you got to squint to see it. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm going to go lace, I'm going to do it right. So I highly recommend going HD. And honestly, you're better off going off with less lace, like with a 5x5 closure like this, and getting HD instead of trying to get a full lace frontal if you're trying to save some money. I'm using my Pattern Beauty curl mousse to define these curls. What I really love that LuvMe Hair did with this unit was they made the density kind of light. This is a kinky curly wig. So, kinky curly already comes off as having a lot of density to it, a lot of volume. So I love that they did not put too much hair on this wig because it made it a lot easier to tame. It made it a lot easier to detangle and a lot easier to style. Because what happens is, it'll sit like this while it's wet, but with the bigger densities, it'll dry and it'll get super big. This stayed like this because the density was just right. So that is one thing, like LuvMe Hair got that on point. They do recommend not trying to do the wet look too much because it will tone down the density. But I mean, if you like it, you should wear it. But for the big hair look, I highly recommend doing what I did and just using a little bit of mousse. Also, if you peeped, I did use a dark brown powder since this is chocolate hair instead of my black powder or my black mascara for the hair because that wasn't going to match the hair. So that's a good trick. If you have a palette with brown in it, you can just use that to fill in your part where you need to. And then for my edges, because I did spray them down and have them, held with elastic band, I went ahead and combed them out so it wouldn't look so hard. And then I just added a little more powder to blend it all together. And this was the final look. It's giving, this is my hair. It's giving, a little wash and go look here. I love the length because it does give a more natural feel. Shout out to LuvMe Hair for sending this unit to me. If you're interested, links will be down below in the description. Thanks so much. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.